the surface, but behind clever curtains you'll find that everything was staged. Thought the applause was worth the whole charade. If I'm being honest, I didn't mean to fall in love with you, with you, with you, with you. It just kinda happened, don't really know when. Just know that it's with you, with you, with you, with you. Now it's making me nervous, just thinking you noticed. Let me know if you change your mind, 'cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible to not fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, or if I'm the only one. 'Cause I will leave my love behind and keep on talking to you. I just need a second, so I can hear it say and leave it all to stay with you, with you, with you, with you. I hate the distance, 'cause I'd rather listen anything to talk to you, to you, to you, to you. That's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you changed your mind, 'cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible to not fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, or if I'm the only one. 'Cause I will leave my love behind and keep on talking
at the goods. Let's eat. Okay lang. Masarap pa rin yung Turks, pero 50 pesos. So, hey guys, so I'm back here again in Baguio. I got here yesterday because I went to Locos. Now I'm just having some late breakfast. I'm having pandesal, which I ate already, and this long john, and some mochaco donuts, and I also have some coffee. So yeah. Hello guys, so I just got home from town. I went grocery shopping, then also went to Palengke to buy some ingredients for my tinola, cause I don't have anything to eat here sa boarding house because I just got home from Ilocos yesterday. Wala akong pagkain dito. So I'm gonna show you kung ano yung mga napamili ko sa grocery and Palengke. So yeah. So first is I bought some medicine. Boring stuff by Jessica and Kremlin. Next is the grocery. Basta kung ano lang makuha ko dito, yun napapakita ko. Valley bread na whole wheat bread because I'm trying to be healthy kahit pa paano. Wheat bread. I also bought ito sa Palengke naman to for 10 pesos sibuyas. I also bought this ginger for 10 pesos lang naman to. And also this Because I'll be cooking tinola tonight. I bought malunggay for 10 pesos din. 10 pesos lang. Then, sa palengke din, I bought this chayote o sayote for 15 pesos lang for isang kilo. Isang kilo na to. I also bought yung hindi pa lutong balot and penoy. Kasi I'm been craving for balot. So, binili ko na lang para tayo na lang magluto mamaya. I also bought tinapay. I think 24 lang to. Kaya mura lang. Baon ko tomorrow ko I'll be going to La Union to pick up some documents. Kaya para makatipid tayo sa pagkain. Bought this for 25 peso. 24. And also this one for 25 din yan. I also bought snacks. Boy bawang na lechon manok with vinegar solved na. Then Moby. Walang ng matamis. Also bought isang Greek yogurt. Feeling healthy, no? Bought this. Ito yung gusto kong milk birch tree. Or if I want to cook something. And I also bought this sibuyas na yung gusto ko sana is yung white onion pero lang red onion parehas lang siguro. 10 pesos lang din yan. I bought condensed milk because sweetened pala to. Condensed regular lang sa. Tapos may dinala kasi akong for macaroni salad sa bahay. Hindi naman kinakain doon. Sayang din kaya kinuha ko na lang para ako na magluto sa bahay. I also bought chicken breast and chicken ground. Giniling ng chicken. I also bought this Swiss Miss gato. And this one all-purpose cream. Isa lang kasi yun ko sa bahay. 2:1 ata yung pagtimpla ng salad. Not sure. Yun yung alam. I got cream. I also bought Yakult. And last 3 I bought yung isa. Toothpaste. Boring stuff. Pud na kasi yung toothbrush ko. Toothbrush pala. And last sweet blend. I'm trying na avoid sugar pero ito sa bibili ko ng matamis. Kasing regular is wala kasing lasa kaya sabagay hindi naman ako madami maglagay. So yun. So that's it for the grocery haul. I will see you later. We will cook tinola. So yeah. This is my lunch. Yum! Welcome to La Union. That's it.
I've learned that there's an art to changing. That I'm the potter and the clay. I'm the canvas and the painter. The marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crash. Is a rush, feel the rush. You're painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Apollo. All the colors layered on kaleidoscope. You're a sculpture of burning Negro like bridges that undeathly turn and living into art. Leaves the Louvre in your masterpieces take a lifetime. Patience is a peerless craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. You know who you were a year ago. Paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crash. Is a rush. You're painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Apollo. All the
Thank you guys for coming along with us, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.